Hey everybody, welcome to the first episode of the Birduuup Show. Ca-Caw Ca-Caw! Woo! We did it! Yeah, I finally built it. It's ready to go. It's coming to y'all live and direct. With us, we have a very special guest for our first episode, the lovely RelentlessBanana. Woo! Banana. How you doing, RelentlessBanana?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. How you doing? How you liking the Birduuup Show?
It's cool.
It's pretty good. Did they treat you alright backstage?
Yeah.
They did your makeup good?
Mm-hmm.
They give you the hot towel?
No.
They didn't give you no hot
It's
towel.
a lukewarm towel.
Mary! You ain't get this lady a hot towel? I'm sorry. We'll get that. Anyway, it's good to be here. What are we doing here?
Be here.
Yeah, sure.
Why did
I'm just thinking of stuff that they say on game shows.
That's what you say when you arrive at the show, not when you're the person host.
It's good to be here.
It's good to
I'm
be
here. Everything's working. We're alive. We're playing video games. What are you playing? I heard you like to play.
Animal Crossing.
Animal Crossing, yes. What's Animal Crossing? Tell me all about it.
It's a simulation game where you are on you're not stranded on an island, but you're on kind of a deserted island and you help build this island up. You get to customize it. You have your different residents that live on the island that you get to interact with, build up your friendships with. It's on real time, so whatever season you're in, it's the same season on the game. And each season brings new challenges, new tasks. There's bugs to catch, fossils to get, fish to catch too, different islands to explore. You could go to your friend's island and come to your island. You can have events, get together.
So it sounds like there are a ton of different ways that you can spend your time in this game. How do you specifically spend your time in this game? What do you like to do?
I like to customize my island, to terraform, make random things. Right now I'm trying to make an outdoor library island.
The outdoor library island.
So within the island, there's another island.
Okay.
And it's gonna have an outdoor bookshelf.
Islandception.
Yeah,
Okay.
islandception. Yeah,
Mhm.
and a desk and a lamp and a comfortable chair, so people can come and sit there, chill out.
That sounds cool.
Thanks.
Yeah. Don't know what else to. What you been watching?
Frasier.
Isn't that like old show from like the 90s or something?
The 2000s.
The 2000s.
Well, okay, yeah, 90s too. Yeah.
Okay. Why are you watching Frasier? There's so much good new stuff out.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's good humor. It has different layers. They have the different situations, and sometimes they don't even have to. It's not always about what they're saying. Just like nuances, with eye gazes and stuff. It's just a good piece of television. One of the classics.
One of the classics?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good. I've
Yeah,
seen a
see?
few episodes.
See? Yeah.
It's funny sometimes. Small doses.
You're not getting the layers.
The layers?
The layers.
How many layers are
The
there?
references. So many.
Like 10?
Maybe.
Only 10 references and layers?
I mean, maybe more. Depends on the episode. Depends on the season.
Tell me some more about your RelentlessBanana. What do you want the world to know about the banana? Why are you so relentless? What you relentless about?
See, people think relentless is a bad word. Relentless is just like you
Who says it's a
don't
bad
quit.
word? No one said it's bad. People say it's
Some
bad.
people think it's a bad word.
What?
Like, oh, that guy's relentless. He's, it's like, well, you just keep on trucking. Keep on going.
I guess it depends on the word you put after relentless. Because it's a relentless banana. Like, is it relentlessly like trying to remain right? Or is it, what's relentless? It has a relentless attitude? Relentless flavor?
Enjoying life.
Okay.
Continually.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's so relentless. Nothing like too dramatic. Simple things in life. That's why I like Animal Crossing. There's a lot of little simple things.
So you're relentless to keep your simple
Yeah.
life. Yeah, that makes sense. Do what you gotta do so you can maintain the chill. Right? Something like that? That's cool. Let's get your thoughts on PlayStation 5 versus the new sex box. Xbox Xbox One Series X. So Xbox One SX sex box.
I don't understand the big deal. Like, so many games are like cross-play. So,
but not the majority of them on, at least on those two consoles. There's not that many that are cross-play.
Really?
Yeah.
But I feel like the future is cross-play.
Right. But we've been had the cross-play technology, but that still doesn't answer the question on your stance. Xbox, PlayStation.
I mean, PlayStation was my first personal gaming system. Like, the other gaming systems I played before that, well, consoles, not because I played Game Boy and stuff too, but before that it was just sharing that's my brother's thing. I have to share with him. And then I got a PlayStation. I was like, oh my gosh, like, this is amazing. This is mine. This is my thing. Mine. And I just like PlayStation ever since then. The array of games, some of the continuality that gaming companies have with them. It's a good system.
That's pretty cool. Have you been reading anything lately?
Yes, but I don't remember the name of one of them.
Who's the artist? Who's the illustrator? Who's the...
I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right, but... No, the one with the short stories, the crazy short stories that I've been reading, it's...
If you did, be sure to leave us some feedback or something.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, man. I'll give you some feedback.
What if that's like a live message someone just inputted into the speaker right at this moment? Just leave some
I'll
feedback.
leave some feedback. That would be a pretty cool feature.
That would be a scary feature.
I would like that. If you were like watching someone's YouTube channel and they were like, hey, you, XYZ214, thanks for watching my video, man. What you doing?
What you doing? Watching your video?
Chilling, man. Watching your video. What are you doing?
Chilling?
Yeah, and then you can like that. You could create a relationship better than, oh well, what I'm gonna comment. I don't feel like commenting. He's not gonna read my comment. You know, he's gonna reply to my, and then it's comments and no, just hey man, what you doing? What's up? What do you think about the video? Man, this is a cool video. It's kind of long though. All right, man. I'll make the next one shorter. Cool, thanks.
That's creepy. What if they're tuning in and you're like doing something that you don't want nobody knowing you're doing? What if you're like on the phone
You can turn it off.
arguing with someone?
But what if you want that? You can turn it on. You can turn it off. You can turn it on though. You know what I'm saying? Just no. No.
It just feels weird. That's the Hey
No.
Siri thing is weird to me.
Yeah. They're listening.
I don't want to think about that.
Don't think about it.
Don't think about it. Just
Yeah. If they want to come get you, they come get you.
just conform.
Yeah.
No conformity.
Yeah. Don't do nothing. I don't know. How should I end it?
Hey.
Hey.
Yo, time to go. Hey, people.
And that's going to be it. We're going to wrap up the show here. Relentless Banana, where can people find you? Where you be at?
Standing right behind you.
Well, that's creepy. Maybe I don't want to find you. Maybe I don't want to let people know where to follow and like and subscribe if you're going to be right behind them. That's kind of...
Oh, I'm on Twitch and Instagram as Relentless Banana. On Twitter, I am Relentless Lynn.
Relentless Lynn. Good to know. Everybody, y'all know me. I'm Birduuup. Ca-Caw Ca-Caw. I'm going to put a bit up. All of my things up here on top somewhere. Maybe like right here. Maybe like another one right there. It's Birduuup everything. Put one right here. I'm going to put two down here. And then I'm going to put two up there. And then I'm going to put one right here. Birduuup everything. Twitch, Facebook, Insta, Twitter, TikTok, Gmail? Maybe I'll make a Gmail. I don't know. Alright. See y'all next time. Ca-Caw Ca-Caw.